Open questions are essential for demonstrating active listening and deepening conversations. They start with who, what, why, when, and how, encouraging expansive dialogue. Unlike closed questions, which yield yes/no answers, open questions allow for richer understanding and engagement. Mastering this skill enhances communication and fosters meaningful interactions. Understanding the difference between open and closed questions is crucial. Closed questions yield yes/no answers, limiting conversation. Open questions, starting with who, what, why, when, how, encourage deeper dialogue. They demonstrate active listening and allow speakers to expand on topics, leading to new insights. Combining both types can enrich conversations further. Open questions are crucial for demonstrating active listening and understanding. They encourage speakers to elaborate, leading to new insights. By combining closed and open questions, conversations become richer and more meaningful, allowing for deeper exploration of topics. Learners practice identifying open and closed questions by listening to peers or teachers. This helps craft relevant questions, enhancing understanding. Creating open questions broadens conversation, allowing deeper insights. By distinguishing between question types, learners can effectively engage and expand discussions, fostering a richer learning environment. Interviewing peers with open questions enhances learning by fostering deeper understanding and active engagement. Open questions, unlike closed ones, encourage curiosity and exploration, allowing conversations to expand. This approach not only demonstrates attentive listening, but also invites speakers to delve into topics, enriching the dialogue and promoting a more comprehensive exchange of ideas. Teachers can reinforce learning by asking students to identify if questions are open or closed. Visual aids in classrooms help differentiate these types, encouraging critical thinking. This practice not only solidifies understanding, but also enhances students' ability to engage in meaningful conversations, fostering a deeper exploration of topics. Assessing questioning skills involves practical application. Educators can challenge learners to create and sort open and closed questions, enhancing their understanding. Assignments or observations can be used to assess this skill, encouraging learners to apply questioning techniques effectively in real conversations. Reflecting on question types, open questions invite expansive dialogue, unlike closed questions which limit responses to yes or no. For instance, what inspired you versus did you like it? Encourage learners to create their own examples, enhancing their listening skills and conversation depth. This reflection fosters a deeper understanding of effective communication. Open questions are pivotal in expanding conversations. They signal active listening and invite deeper exploration of topics. By asking how or why, educators can guide learners to uncover new insights, making discussions more dynamic and engaging. This approach not only enhances understanding, but also fosters a richer dialogue, encouraging learners to think critically. Combining closed and open questions enriches dialogue. For instance, did you consider this, and how did you decide? This approach encourages learners to think critically about question combinations, enhancing their ability to engage in meaningful conversations. It bridges understanding and exploration, fostering a deeper connection between speakers. Visual aids can significantly enhance learning by helping teachers reinforce the distinction between open and closed questions. This approach encourages learners to actively engage and apply these concepts in various contexts, deepening their understanding and improving communication skills. Such tools support ongoing learning, making the differentiation of question types more intuitive and accessible. Learners engage in peer presentations, practicing open and closed questioning. This peer-to-peer interaction fosters feedback and enhances listening skills. By presenting and questioning, learners deepen their understanding and improve communication. This practice supports the development of effective questioning techniques, crucial for meaningful conversations. Teachers can set challenges for learners to create open and closed questions, encouraging practical application of their understanding. This approach supports the assessment of questioning skills, enhancing learners' ability to engage in deeper conversations and improve their listening skills through effective questioning techniques. Open questions are essential for enhancing listening skills. They encourage deeper understanding and engagement by allowing the speaker to elaborate. Learners should practice crafting open questions to demonstrate active listening and expand conversations. This skill can be reinforced through classroom activities, such as identifying question types and using them in peer interviews. Open questions are vital for enhancing listening and engagement. They deepen understanding and foster meaningful dialogue. Continue practicing these skills to become a more effective communicator. Remember, active listening and thoughtful questioning are key to enriching conversations and building connections.